What's up, y'all? So this is the Maddog 150. I'm doing the Super GY6 kit for the new stator. And after I'm done installing it, I'm gonna show you how I ran the wires under the battery box and whatnot. So, this will be like time-lapsed, but just so you can get an idea on how to do it. There's a lot of different videos on YouTube, but I figured I'll just give a video of this particular kit. So it's a plug-and-play kit. So get to it. Now I'm doing this upgrade because I want to run LED headlights and various LED lights on the bike, and I don't want to pull too much of the draw from my battery. I want to make sure it stays charged up. So first I'm just removing all the plastic. I think I'm going to paint the motor too. All I'm doing is removing all the bolts of the plastic, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove those, and then I'll resume the video. Okay, so I removed all the plastic. I didn't really want to remove the exhaust because then I got to get a new gasket for it and whatnot, and I don't have it on hand right now. So the reason why I'm moving this plastic anyway was because I'm going to end up painting the motor. So I'm just going to leave this to the side. Hopefully it don't obstruct your view. But now, I believe when you're taking these screws off here, they might be different sizes. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm about to find out. But if they are, then you just want to leave them in the same spot. It looks like these are all the same size screws, so don't worry about that on this particular part. So you should have the marking on the motor for your for the timing for the magneto. So there's a black mark. I'm trying to get it right there, and then that's the magnet pickup. So you just want to, when you install the new one, you want to make sure this is in the same location. Just want to let you know. So I'm going to go ahead and get my impact to remove this nut. Alright, so I got my impact. I don't even know if it's going to work because I'm using a small air compressor, but it's worth a shot. This is a 17 mil bolt. Shoot, it worked. It freaking worked. That's what's up. So now, you need to get a flywheel puller, and I forgot it, so I'm gonna go grab it. Alright, so here's the flywheel puller. Got it off Amazon. I think it was like $8, $8.99, something like that. And I'll be honest, I never used this before, so let's see how it goes. To be honest, I'm gonna actually, before I bolt that in, I'm gonna go get some Loctite. I'll be back. Alright, just got the Loctite. Ideally, you want to use red. All I have right now is blue, so hopefully, don't cause me an issue down the line. I think it'll be fine. I believe this is the ignition coil pickup. I was lined up right with the black. That's how you want it. You don't want it the other way, so it'll be down here. It's no good. So want it just like that there. Okay. If you can see that. That little notch right there, that's gonna line up right with the notch. on this right here. So there's a little notch there, notch there. Line up. Don't forget your washer. See how it is. I'm gonna actually show you how I ran the front setup for the Super GY6 11 pole stator kit. I'm gonna show you how I ran the wire harness and what wires I didn't need to use because I guess the 150cc Maddog don't use a couple things that they give in the kit. So I'm gonna actually go downstairs and show you that right now. Alright, so this is the Super GY6 install kit. There's like the instructions that tells you, you know, how to install it. So on the Maddog, it comes with this ground wire, but you're not going to need it. And also it comes with, there's a choke, this yellow wire that comes off the kit. These two, it says choke on it, and then it says resistor. But the Maddog 150s don't have a choke resistor, so you don't even need to hook this up. But that's the size of the rectifier compared to the other one. Here's the other one, the original. So definitely a big difference in size. But yeah, that's it. Install's done. Once I hook everything up, get my bike rolling, I'm gonna give you the output of the battery. Should be I think it's 13.6 to 14 and change, so let you guys know. Super easy install. If everything works, that'll be even better. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for the rest of the build series. And thanks for watching.